not going to the edge, am I? Which I can. Oh.
That's all right. It's your first time. Don't worry. You can go a bit deeper. You haven't got to straight the surface. You can make the tool about 1 inch deep. We just don't want to touch the bottom. That's all, because we don't want to drag up any sediment. And so you can speed it up a little bit. You'll find your shoulder will ache if you do it too slowly. And now do it left to right.
Left to right. So
Yeah,
I can
so you
take
want
it out.
No, you just keep going, horizontal lines.
So if I go down that way.
That's right.
Yeah. And then.
That's it. So when I ask you to do gel git, this is the pattern. And we're going to use this a lot because this will be the background to everything that we do. And the reason we want those nice horizontal lines is because when we get to the stage of using the combs, we want them to be to run adjacent to the comb that we're going to use. But this first exercise is just to get a feel for how to use the tools and to see how the colour behaves on the tray. And I was filming you do that, so you've now got video evidence of your very first gel git.
Oh my word.
There we go. So I think we should look at that on paper to see how you like those colours together. What do you think?
Okay.
I don't think we'll do the rest of the gel git just because of the way you've laid it out. I think that's going to look nice. Excellent, Lynn. Okay, so now with the smallest gauge, that's it. So make sure it's nice and clean. And now you're ready to do your flowers.
Outside in. No, yeah. Inside out.
So up, down, left, right. Or down, up, left, right.
Down. Oh yeah. Sorry. Look at. Oh, look
Oh,
what I've
okay,
done.
you've decided to do a heart. We'll do that. That's all right. Do that with all of them. But make these hearts upwards.
So I did that.
Go like that.
Go like that.
Yep. All the way through. Keep going. There you
Oh,
go.
I see. Right.
Now do that with that one.
Yeah.
There you go. We can pretend you did it on purpose then, can't we?
Yeah, I'm very impressed.
Okay, so this time with the comb, you're going to pull the comb towards you.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Or just do it, yeah.
And now push it back without taking it out. Push it back towards me now. Good. Now, with this one, make sure that's nice and clean. And then you're going to snake backwards and forwards through it.
Just go right down and up and down like that? Or
No.
No?
Like this.
Right. Okay.
Clean it off. Good. Wonderful. Okay, so now with the smallest gauge awl, so you're going to come down and then left. So let me just show you this so that you can follow it. So it's the heart shaped first, so down. You didn't clean the tool.
I did. I thought I did.
You
Did
couldn't
I?
have, no.
Oh.
Clean it.
So you can't do anything with that now, can
Let's
you?
just move on to this one first. Okay, so make sure it's really clean. And use your, you've got a really good delicate touch, so you're only just penetrating the surface. Okay, and then strike across this way. And then through here.
Can I go that way?
No. Do as you're told. You're supposed to be doing half tip.
Right.
You're supposed to be doing this.
I thought
You
it
can,
was...
freestyle is after this. There's a you get a 20-minute freestyle session after you've
Don't make
perfected
me
the hard
laugh
tip.
anymore. It's just doing it like this.
It's just following instructions, isn't it?
Um,
Have you always been rebellious, Lynn? Were you a rebellious child? Okay, so what you can do with these three, are you going to do it how I said, or are you going to go freestyle?
I'll do it
Because
how you said.
having this one in the middle makes it look like you did it on purpose. One this way, one that way, and that in the middle.
Oh, right. Okay. So, right. So, down. Oh!
I'm going to turn the camera
God.
off and I'm going to leave you to it. You're under too much pressure, aren't you? You've got the whole world watching you. She doesn't know we're here. We're very quiet.
James, did you go across that way?
Yeah.
I would like to go down like that, but I mustn't. I've got to go up
You
that way.
mustn't. You can on the next one when it's the freestyle session. You can do whatever you like. Now you're talking. Look at that.
That's better, isn't
That's
it?
more like it.
Yeah.
Aren't you pleased you listen to teacher now?
Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please let me know in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can keep up with new content.